So here we are again on the 27th day of the month of September, and well, we got some facelifting dito po sa area na kung saan po ay we have been telling you all about yung strange phenomenon, and still tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pagdating ng mga tao rito just to see the image, yeah, and just to see the image and then fetch water. At nagkaroon na po ng mga innovations dito, no. Mapansin po natin, we can notice yung mga grills, steel grills, na tulad ng the way it was promised by the Acevedo family all the way from Canada, that they will have to check on the safety of the premises, at nagkaroon na po ng steel grills, no. We have young kids as well as old ones who are dropping by for a visit and to look for themselves for yung kung ano po yung tinatawag natin strange phenomenon, and the image is still there. The image, I have to repeat, resembles that of Jesus Christ, and we are so glad that we now have, of course, to my steel grills, enclosing, of course, yung area, no? And it appeared to be of better sight right now. People are fetching water, looking at the image, and there goes the clear and fresh water out from the water pump. Yan, mapapansin natin still, people with this keep on trooping. Non-stop po ito, day in and day out, as they come to have a visit. Yan. And we also have noticed the presence of our municipal health officer in the person of Dr. Talia for a visit, probably. Yes. And this is Dr. Talia. On this 27th day of the month of September, I repeat, kakaroon po tayo ng mga visitors. And I have to repeat, it's a non-stop ang pagdating po ng mga visitors natin. Here they are. People are still coming. After almost 2 months. So we got now some improvements. This is now an overview of where the strange phenomenon is located, right at the back of the grocery owned and managed, of course, by the Acevedo family here at Cabuluan West, Ballesteros, Cagayan. And this is still a part of our updates, which goes on daily. Just to inform our friends who have not yet known about this strange happening, we keep on giving you updates from day to day. And this is how it looks like here at Cabuluan West, Ballesteros, Cagayan. Continuous din po ang pag fetch ng mga kababayan natin sa water, which comes out regularly, very clear and very fresh water from the water pump. Right at the foot of the water pump, makikita po natin yung image. There you have it. The image is right there. No? We'll have a closer look at it. No changes. Still the same as the image that we had taken on August 8th, and this is now the 27th day of September. Still there were no changes in the image. There you have it. And of course, you have there the water, which is acclaimed by a lot of people to have some kind of healing power.